imagine a part of me trying to slick it and diss it. I'm a Carter, Mr. Carter, tell me stuff that I know. I'm flowing flexi, beating cheese, I'd rather just release. I look at myself in the mirror while I'm freestyling dope. 16 bars and I'ma kill it, it was always my plan. Got no regrets, FaceTime and all mistakes and I shake them. Laga, when she tell me she hate it. I don't gotta run away cause I know my shit is dope. Keisha like a party.
Hey yo traders, what's up? It's your boy Oscar and I'm back again with another banger. And in today's video I will be analyzing GBP JPY for y'all. Now I'm gonna be showing y'all the trade that I took. I'm gonna be breaking it down for you guys because I did recently take a trade. So what I'm gonna be doing now is removing everything that's on the chart so I can clearly explain how I done took the trade. Object G. Okay, so what do you want to do first? You want to go to the daily time frame. First of all, you want to go to the daily. Looking at the daily, we want to identify our recent highs and recent lows. I'm not gonna use that strategy whereby I look for all the key points that I can find. No, I won't be using that for this. I'm gonna be only using 2 key points. Let's go to the looking at the 1 hour. I saw something which was an order block on a level. Even on the 4 hour it's here. I don't think we necessarily have to use the refined order block, but let's go for it. Okay, so here is our order block. We have found our order block. After finding our order block, now we want to go to lower time frames and find another order block inside that order block, whereby we have to go to the 15-minute. Let's first start at the 1 hour. Look at our trend, see how we're actually moving. Looking at the 1 hour, we can see we have these lows over here. I want to highlight this high over here. Okay, so first of all, looking at the 1 hour, we do have an order block on the 1 hour time frame right here. But I don't usually look at the 1 hour time frame order block. I usually just look at I usually go for the 15-minute. First of all, we look for our order block on the 4 hour time frame, 4 hour or the daily time frame. We look for our order block, our high level order block, or high level order block, our high key level block. We look for it, and then we dominate the order block, whereby now we go into lower time frames to look for an order block inside an order block, whereby looking at the 15-minute time frame will do us that justice. Perhaps let's see, we have an order block here. Let me just do this. We have an order block here on this level here, but we do not want to consider that order block whereby which is going to be like this. Then tapped in. Okay, it is a valid order block, but how do we see the order block is valid? Where did the order block start? The push that gave that order block. First of all, Let me just do this. First of all, this push here, this push then broke this level here, and then second of all, price failed to break that high, whereby price broke this high, because this low does not look equal. It's pretty clear that price then broke that low. And then as we can see here, we have a whole series here whereby price then touched the resistance level. Okay, so that level is valid because this price broke. We do have a break of structure here. It's not quite the most clear break of structure, but it is a break of structure. It is a break of structure. You have another one here. Okay, that makes our order block valid. I did already enter this trade. I did already enter it on my MetaTrader account. We have breaks of structures on that level. What makes this order block valid, besides the order block giving us breaks of structures? We have this order block has this. An imbalance. And price has been tapping into that imbalance. It has been tapping into the imbalance. But then it did go up to clear the order block and give us an even better order block. Not an even better order block, but the real order block, not just an imbalance. Some traders would enter off the imbalance, whereby price would come into the imbalance, but they would put their stop loss above the order block, not above the imbalance. Because at the end of the day, the main key is the order block. And then we would go for the next low. We'd go for the next low. Would have won this trade if we had went for the imbalance. If we had entered off the imbalance. But then that is not how I enter my trades. Unlike these other traders, I don't enter my trades off the imbalance. I enter my trades off the order block. I enter off the order block. Then when I put my stop above the order block, and then we want to aim for the next low. Bear in mind, I am already in this trade. I did already take this trade. So I am in profit at the moment in this trade. If you want to look at it from different perspectives using trend lines and other methods, you can just to refine your trades a lot better. If you really do want to refine the trades, then I think in the last video I don't told you guys this is how I usually put my trend lines. Guys, bear in mind, I don't just use one strategy. I use the smart money concept strategy. I use trend lines. I use different strategies, but they all have their set of rules. And I don't just go around changing strategies. I look for a setup that works best with a certain strategy. You get? So yeah. This is the shade that I took. I was also in a US 30 shade. Also took a US 30 shade. It is in deep blues at the moment. Maybe in the next video I will break down this shade.